All right, let's talk about the revision widget. This is the 7th widget that you can see here on the toolbar. Click on it and then you will see this showing up. What you can see here is 3 variables, the RS, RS2, RSS. I'll explain in a second. So what is the revision? So revision is we're taking earning per share. So this is the earning per share that you can see. This is the non-GAAP, but we take the GAAP version. And then we take analysts revisions of these numbers. So if you click on RS data, you can see today, the latest, 7 days ago, 30 days ago, 60 days ago, and you can see the change over time of all these values. The revision score will just grow and shrink all the way. And here you have the change since the beginning of the quarter. It's very important to consider everything per quarter. So here what we do is really at EPSMomentum is really considering a stock in its earning quarter, not in its year to date or weekly or so on. It's really in the earning quarter. So here we can see the RS has been going up 14% since the beginning of the quarter, 35% over 90 days. So it's a big push from Wall Street on NVIDIA. It looks like it's plateauing a little bit here, but you can see the stock price is kind of mirroring the data there. You have the ability to click on data here and display it as a subchart. So you can see the revision score here at the bottom. So lets you track the price and the revision on the same chart if you want. So this is very useful. We get the data from Zacks Research. The RS2 is the same earning per share, but from a different source, from FinHub. And RSS is sales, so it's a sales number. So you can look at the sales numbers and see the estimates from FinHub for the sales numbers. Again, you can look at the data. You have EPS in sales, you have in change or in value. So again, you have full transparency in the data. Then you can look at the screener. There's plenty of fields in the screener for that. You can go into estimate revision. These are all the fields here. The most important is this one, revision percent change since the beginning of the quarter. You can filter for this and sort. And then you can, hone in on good stocks. So ISRG has been up 233% revision. As you can see, the stock price is shooting up as a consequence of this. So the view, Wall Street view, is very important on that name. You can go into revision winner, last reporting, cheap growth. There's pre-canned searches for that. So that revision score is really, really powerful for you to screen for good stocks. All right, I hope it was useful. Let us know if you have any questions on support@EPSmomentum.com. Thank you very much.